Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to turn on our separate application sounds in Samsung Galaxy S22. So, how to separate our app sounds in our phone? We have to go to settings, of course, then in sounds and vibrations. When we scroll all the way down, we have separate app sounds right here. What does it do? As you can see from this little short description, play media sound from one app on a different audio device. So let's go right in here. Turn it on now. Yes, please. Yes, let's say YouTube. We want YouTube back out to be played on our selected Bluetooth device, speaker, etc. Back out, and as you can see, we have our YouTube and our Bluetooth device, and it will our YouTube will be played separately, not on the phone, but on our Bluetooth speaker, for example. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.